Well, I've got to apologise really, because I spent about 23 minutes filming me doing the oils on the onto the actual torpedo, and I used this set, the actual dark space, what's it called? Oh yeah, Starship Filth, which is a nice colour to actually do that. I know all the colours. I've got a lot of these oil sets. I've got all the military ones, the ship ones, and bits and pieces for oil, so for salt and bits, so that's quite good. But anyway, to get back to this, so I actually made a 23 minute video showing you how I was doing the oils on these two torpedoes, and because I played with the aperture, or the iris as they call it on this camera, I actually got what I call very well completely unsharp video to be honest, and I was really annoyed because I've actually edited it, put it up, and I thought it might improve in the actual processing, but it didn't. So what we're left with now is what I've got now completed with all the actual things done. So what I've done, this is the Starship Filth in a jar. It's oil paint with and I'll just explain what I used. Whoops. There you go, and that's it, odourless fillers. That's what I used for it, and the brush I used was, whoops, this one. And if I can bring that a bit further down, yeah, and that further in, this is the brush I used, nice wide and flat one. And what I did is I kept painting it and let it dry off a little bit, and then went in and removed it. Now I can remove all this now with the odourless filler, but I don't want to because I quite like what it looks like. It looks a bit worn, and I think they're about right for what I've done. So I'm quite happy, and that's but not happy with the video. So this one will be a very short update for number 6, because now I'm going back on the Ag Tiger, which I've got over this side to my left on top of my bench, the other little bench, which is more of a place where my compressor is at the moment. So this will be as far as I go now. Now I'm going to spend, I'm hoping to be back, start to carry on with the build in a week, 2 weeks, well the latest 2 weeks time, because I'm going to be doing an update tomorrow on the painted Jag Tiger, so that'll be a day okay. So I can start that back on that and get that out of the way. So, but because I want to get this finished, because obviously I've only got to the, I think it's the end of May. I think it is. They said I thought it was end of June, but it's May. So but there's not a lot of parts with the kit, but there's the painting later on as well. On the hull, I've actually got all the pieces built up, and I can actually put a photograph in this video, and that's what I will do. I'll put a photograph into this video showing you that the fact is that well, it looks like complete. I think I might have already done that anyway, but what I did do is marked off 13 inches with the two pieces from the, let's have a get, where's my instructions? Oh, of course they're in the other room, I won't bother getting them. But where it's actually 13 inches either end, I've drilled a hole in the middle as a starting point, and that's where my stands are going to go. Now I've got two pedestals, the same as I used on my HMS Nelson, to actually do this, so they can actually sit on pedestals. So, and I can get it, I'll have to put the nuts in before I join them together, so that'd be a bit fun. But I'll show that how I'm going to be doing that when I get to that part. So that's got to be done quite early before you put them together. So anyway, so sorry about that, and they're really annoying really when you think about it. Sorry about squeaky chair, but I think now looking at my screen it looks a lot sharper than what it did the last time, but I thought it was okay. So never mind, but that's one of those things. I even made this to, when I was painting it, this is what I had for putting the torpedo in it, so I can actually use that and sort of paint it with the oils. Anyway, but I'm happy with it. There's little stains a little bit faintly, but it's so subdued, it looks like it's where they've been playing with it, moving it around in the shipyard. So anyway, so thank you very much, and once again apologise for not having a 20 minute or so video with me actually doing the brushing the oils onto it. But you're bound to see me do that later on, because obviously the actual submarine will have to be done as well. So sorry about that. Anyway, so this is the end of a very short update number 6, and like I say, stay safe and happy modelling. Catch you in the next one.